Problem is to write a Python program to represent Enum. Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to WsCube Tech. My name is Ayushi Jain, and in this video we will learn how to write a program that will allow us to represent Enum. So guys, what is Enum over here is very simple, that Enum is a class in Python that allows us to represent enumerations. Now what are enumerations? If I talk about them, then Enum allows us to create a symbolic names. If you have symbolic names and you want to bound them with the unique values or constant, then we use the method of Enum. Let's have a look on how it can be done. For using Enum, we need to import it. So we'll be writing from Enum. I'll import Enum. Okay. So we'll be using the enumerations over here. How we will be doing that? I will be creating a class over here. Class called as, let's say, smartphones. And here I'll be writing Enum. And I'll put a colon. Now I'll be giving some variables over here. For example, I'll be giving Samsung is equals to 1. Nokia is equals to 2. I'm not giving the rankings over here, otherwise you might get offended with your phones. So for iPhone, instead of iPhone, I can take Apple. So Apple on 3. But I'm just giving them these numbers. Now what do I need to do over here is, if I print smartphones dot Samsung, suppose if I print it for Nokia, let's say, and run it, what it would give me, it would give me that it belongs to the classes of smartphones and it's writing Nokia as well. Okay. At the same time, if I write the same thing, for example, if I write print smartphones dot Samsung dot name. Okay, I want to know its name. So if I run it, I'll get the output Samsung only. Okay. If I would have written smartphones dot Samsung, in that case, I would have got smartphones dot Samsung. But if you only want the name, in that case, you just need to write name. Similarly, if I want to know the value of Apple, that what is the value of Apple here? For that, what I'll write print smartphones dot Apple dot value. And let's run and see what output we'll get. So we'll get the output 3 over here. If I'll do the same method for the same phone, for example, if I take Samsung here, and for the value also if I take Samsung, in that case, I would get the output in this way, that smartphones dot Samsung, that means that the name of our class dot Samsung, and in the name we will be obtaining Samsung, and in the value we will be obtaining the value that we have bound to Samsung. This is how Enum works basically. So all you need to do is, from Enum you need to import capital E Enum, and for the classes we will be creating any class where you can bound the names with the symbols. Okay. For doing that, what we need to do is we need to create a class, and in the parentheses we need to present Enum. That means we need to write Enum, and after that we can create variables and bound them with unique values or constant. Later you can print the name and values and different stuff here. So I hope guys you guys have no doubts in the questions. The link of this code is in our description, and for more such interesting videos, stay connected guys. Thank you.